Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. I'm Steve. Today I wanted to do a follow-up video to an old video I did showing you how to use your iPhone as a webcam in OBS. So I'll link that video somewhere over here. But in the last couple of weeks, I've gotten a lot of responses and comments to that video telling me that I should let you all know that the app is $11 now, and it's not free. And I do want to apologize. I didn't know that the app switched from free to paid for one simple reason. The company who makes OBS Camera, the app that you use on your iPhone to get this all working, was nice enough to give people the app for free if they originally downloaded it early enough. So I looked in the app and it actually said that because I was an early adopter to the app, I was grandfathered in and I don't have to pay for it. So I hope I didn't lead anybody on in that video. It was an honest mistake. When I got the app, it was free. Yes, it is a paid app now, but I didn't know that. So I guess watch that video now with a different understanding. It still works. Apparently now you just have to pay for the app. And if it's $11 once, that's not bad. I'm starting not to like those recurring payments where like a software you have to pay monthly. I'd rather just pay like $200 for a software and then just use it. But then I understand you're not going to get free updates. And if you pay monthly, they usually come with updates, but that's besides the point. For this video, that's what I wanted to talk about. My video is still relevant on how to use your iPhone as a webcam in OBS, but now the OBS camera app is not free, so I apologize. Let me know down below, is this a deal breaker? If you have any questions, also just let me know in the comments and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, guys.